Welcome to our channel. If you need to transfer lines between accounts, follow these step-by-step instructions to link or move lines without service disruption. Step 1. Determine why you're moving lines between accounts. Common reasons include combining family plans, separating from shared accounts, or transferring lines during relationship changes. Step 2. Verify you have authorization to move the lines. You must be the account owner or authorized user or have permission from the account owner to transfer lines. Step 3. Contact your carrier to discuss transfer options and requirements. Ask about transfer fees, whether numbers will be affected, and how device payments are handled. Step 4. Understand financial responsibilities for device payments and contracts. Lines being transferred must have devices paid off or the balance transfers with the line. Step 5. Prepare both accounts for the transfer by verifying account standing. Both source and destination accounts must be in good standing with no past due balances. Step 6. Decide whether to transfer lines or port numbers to new accounts. Transferring keeps lines with the same carrier, while porting moves numbers to completely different carriers. Step 7. Complete transfer paperwork with proper authorization from all parties. Both account holders typically must approve and sign documents allowing the line transfer. Step 8. Monitor service during and after transfer to ensure no disruption. Test calling, texting, and data immediately after transfer completes to confirm everything works properly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.